There's so much to enjoy at the National Heirloom Expo, but the exhibitions form the heart of the experience. From heirloom tomatoes to exotic fruits and the iconic Tower of Squash, a kaleidoscope of colors, aromas, and flavors awaits at the Sonoma County Fairgrounds. In the main expo hall, browse thousands of heirloom varieties, all clearly labeled and beautifully arranged in the world's largest produce display. Exhibitors range from backyard gardeners to seasoned organic growers, and like pepper grower Ub Solorio, they bring their passion and expertise, all in a spirit of sharing it with others.
The thing that really drives me to come and help Baker's Creek every year, the kids. I happen to see kids come to the table and they almost look like they're in a candy store. There is magic, and there's no money that can buy that.
Expo offers a priceless opportunity to interact one-on-one with dozens of nationally and internationally known experts who come to lead workshops and lectures, but who you're likely to find exploring the wonders of Expo right alongside you. Be dazzled by the Dahlia Show, curated by the American Dahlia Society. Marvel at the handiwork of fruit and gourd carvers who turn ordinary produce into works of art. Enjoy cooking demonstrations, traditional crafts displays, and educational exhibits on everything from organic growing to natural fibers. The National Heirloom Expo is a collective effort. Many hands go into making it a success each year, including other heirloom seed companies. Art of the Heirloom, curated by Hudson Valley Seed Company, invites fine artists to create work featuring heirloom varieties, some of which appear on the company's seed packs. There's so much to savor at the expo, including hundreds of heirloom watermelon and tomato varieties at the popular tasting tables of the main expo hall, and have a taste of rare and tropical fruits from around the world. The Giant Pumpkin Contest is a highlight of the expo each year and always draws a big crowd. Its popularity is a tribute to the patience and dedication of growers who bring their biggest and best pumpkins to the expo each year. The School Garden Network Pavilion offers a kid-friendly expo experience complete with educational activities, school garden displays, and an outdoor play area. At the Seed Swap, you can trade heirloom varieties with others. Seed swaps are a time-honored tradition, offering the chance to share heirloom varieties from all over the world, along with the stories that they tell. The Heirloom Expo is more than produce, though. Stroll over to the poultry barn and be wowed by the beauty and diversity of heritage poultry breeds. There's a poultry judging contest and plenty of opportunity to get up close and personal with the chickens. No fair would be complete without music, of course, and the 3-day event features non-stop entertainment from Western swing to mariachi and everything in between. There's even an old-time fiddling contest. The National Heirloom Expo is where tradition meets innovation in the pure food movement. A world of inspiration awaits you at the Sonoma County Fairgrounds in Santa Rosa, California.